Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is a place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video, I'm going to share you some important thing about the quiet time. So as you can see on my screen, this is app quiet time. It will, what is quiet time? So this will help and protect your end users from work related notifications to help them to recharge or set a quiet period to mute notification and minimize the confusion while they are blocked with a time condition in Azure conditional access. So what does means? So it will protect user will not get the notification in Microsoft Team and Outlook applications on so that they can anything they will not get notifications related to the work application, right? So how we can configure that? Here we can create a you can create a here. So from where you have to go to devices. This is Microsoft Intune portal, and go to apps, and under apps you see the quiet time, right? Click on create, and then the platform is supported only for iOS and Android, no Windows. And policy type, you have to select date range. You can select the date range or days of the week or non-working time. So I'm selecting days of the week, right? So this will automatically remute the Microsoft Outlook email team notification on iOS and Android platform during the certain hours or all day on the selected days of the week. Create, right? So you have to give some name, whatever you like. Quiet time for mobile apps, you can give any name, and say all day, mute notification for all day required. Days of the week, I want to mute notification only for Sunday, right? You want to mute notification daily, require daily. What time you want to configure? I don't want to configure. And allow user to change the setting. If you want, if you have selected yes, then user will override it. If you select no, then user will not able to. So let them select, if in case if any user want. Suppose I am selecting all day, right? And Sunday they will not get a notification. Certain hours, yes. What time I want to start? Time should be 6 o'clock, okay, after work hour, or maybe I'll make 20, and until 7 a.m. morning. Days of the week, yeah. So you want to mute notification all day? No, I just want to mute notification for Saturday and Sunday, and Sunday it's complete notification, okay. Or you just want to select Saturday, it will be this, okay. Click next and next. You can apply to these groups, all iOS devices or all users, okay. And next, and create. So once you create this policy, and if user will user will not get notifications on specified date and time, like all the notifications will use it, all the notification will not get delivered to the user devices, because we have muted, right, all day on the Sunday. And on Saturday, user will not get notification during this end time and start time. And a user can also override. If you don't want to allow users to make a changes, you can select and click no. User will not able to make override any of these policies from the device. I hope you learn something how you can configure and protect your end users, iOS and Android specifically, to turn off the notifications so that they will not get disturbed, or they will get some time to recharge, right, and come with the spend some time with their family. And till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.